Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account public. So let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app. Tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on the account privacy option. In the account privacy section, you will see the private account option. To make your account public, simply tap on the toggle switch next to it. Finally, a confirmation message will pop up at the bottom of your screen. Tap on Switch to Public to complete the process. And this is how you can make your Instagram account public. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.